你好，我是 Javed，欢迎快来我的频道。Today we are going to continue our previous class in which we were learning adjectives in Chinese. So, if you have not watched my previous classes, so before watching this video, I would recommend that first watch these videos and then come back here, in which we learn how to say 我想学中文. We learn some verbs and then we learn some adjectives. 等等. It means etc. So, are you ready? Let's dive right in. 快 快. Repeat after me. 快 means fast. 快 it sounds to start with 快 like in word 快 看 快 so 快快快火车很快 the train is fast 门门 repeat after me 门请说的慢一点 please speak a little bit slowly r r r means hot weather is hot repeat after me r 今天很热 today is hot you can keep remember this tone with rep r sound r. Alright, so next word is lung. Repeat after me. Lung means cold. You can keep remember this tone with language lung sounds similar little bit. Lung 冬天很冷 winter is cold. Okay, so today's last adjective is how. Repeat after me. How. It sounds like how are you? How. 这个电影很好 这个电影很好 This movie is very good. Alright. That's all for today. Before ending this class, I have an exercise for you guys. We have learned how to say hot in Chinese. R, remember? R. And cold, lung. Winter, 冬天. Summer, 夏天. Remember, 夏天 summer. 但是 means but. Now you have to write it down in comments. Summer is hot, but winter is cold. Remember, practice makes man perfect. Hold on. In next class, I'm going to reveal secret to start speaking from first day Chinese. It helped me a lot when I was learning Russian few days back. So I will share that secret in next lecture. 那今天的视频就到这里了，谢谢你的观看。那如果你喜欢我的视频，请记得点赞并关注我的频道。我们下次见，再见。